Alright, in this video what I'd like to do is I'd like to quickly show you how when I build WordPress sites the way that I like to get started. And what I like to do with WordPress is I like to install WordPress, okay? And then I go to both the posts page and then the pages page. And what I'll do is I'll delete all the starter content that they give us. So I'll get rid of the sample post that they make and then the sample page, and I'll start from scratch. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and create the pages. I'll just create empty pages for now, but I'll create the pages that I want on my site. So on this particular site, I'm going to create 3 new pages. I'm going to create a services page, a products page, and an about us page. And the way that we do that, it's really easy. We just go ahead, click on the add new on pages, and I'm going to call this our services. Okay. And like I said, I'm not going to add any content here. The content can come later. Okay. And then what you want to do is you want to just go ahead, click over on the publish. So there we go. We have our services page. And then I'll add our products page. Okay. And I'll go ahead. Like I said, we'll just add our content later. And then the final page that I'm going to create is going to be about us. Then I'll create, and I'll publish that. And then you can see when we go, right now our website, there's absolutely nothing here yet. But when we go ahead and refresh this, at least we're going to see it's starting to turn into something. You can see up on our menu, we've got our 3 pages up here. And like I said, we can add as many pages as we want to. And with the way that the WordPress menus work, the new pages will go ahead and show up on this menu bar. But you can see when we click on each of these links, it's going to bring us over to those pages. Then, once you do have those pages, once you have it laid out, then what you can do is you can go in back into these pages, all the different pages that you just started, and then you can go ahead and add the content to those pages. Okay? And then once you've done that, once you've got your permanent pages, they're set, they're where they're going to be, the content is on them, then you can start adding posts and go about running your site. So what you want to do is, as you can see, we've got, just the pages are set up right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over and we're going to start adding posts, which are going to be, adding content to our site. So we'll go ahead, we'll add our first post here. And a new site about mobile websites. And then I can go ahead and add in a whole bunch of different content about mobile websites in this post. Okay, so we have just a little bit of content right here. And then when we go ahead and publish this, and we'll go ahead and look at our website, we'll see that it's now on our website as a new post. So you can see this new post has shown up on here, and then we can also see it over here in the left-hand side of the site. So we can go on adding new content, adding fresh content, but you can see everything is done by posts and pages. Okay? So those are the basics of how to use WordPress.